Facebook video upload errors can be frustrating, especially when uploads fail, get stuck processing, lose quality, or suddenly stop before publishing. These problems can happen because of internet issues, unsupported formats, app bugs, account restrictions before changing settings. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable because weak internet is one of the most common upload problems. Close and reopen the Facebook app or refresh the web browser. Temporary glitches can sometimes interrupt uploads. Facebook works best with supported formats like MP4 and MOV using H.264 video encoding. If the video file is too large or too long, Facebook may fail to process the upload correctly. If the upload keeps failing, re-export the video using recommended Facebook settings from your editing software. If none of the fixes work, use Facebook's help and support section to report the upload issue directly. And honestly, most Facebook upload problems are usually caused by unsupported video settings, unstable internet, or temporary app glitches. Exporting videos properly and keeping apps updated usually fixes the issue quickly. And that's your full guide on how to fix Facebook video upload errors in the United States in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how to solve upload issues and publish videos more successfully on Facebook.